is the 10th time we record this video, so welcome everyone. No, but now seriously, welcome. Thanks for watching us again. And well, Perry's going to tell you what we're going to do today.
Yes, so today we're going to be going through the link tool. It's one of the most crucial tools, I think, in order to create a prototype and make everything flow. And yeah, Aurora is going to be explaining how to use it and all the properties that come with it.
Enjoy. Okay, so we're in Framer again. So today we're going to explore the link tool, and we're going to explore it through these 3 pages. So, well, the link tool is mainly an interactive tool you have in Framer to connect screens. So these screens can be connected in multiple ways, and that's why the link tool has some properties that allows you to customize the transition. So the first screen I want to connect is my home screen with my profile page screen. So what I want to do is every time I click on my icon, like in here, I'll go to my profile page. So what I can do is I select my icon, I click on link, and I link it to my profile page. There are a lot of transitions you can choose from. In this case, it is a desktop, so with the fade, I'm really happy. But there are some others that we can explore afterwards. Whenever you chose your transition, in order to preview the interaction, you just go to the initial frame, press play. You can go press the profile page, and that is the transition you actually looked for. As I mentioned, it has a lot of customizable options, so you can also do, for example, models. So in this case, I want to edit my profile, and I want to say I want this to be a model. So I'll just click on my button, I press L, which is the shortcut for link, and then I link it to my screen. In this case, this is a model. You can also customize it. You can also customize the backdrop, and let's actually preview it. So I go play, then I click here, and it appears as a model. And if I click, outside, it disappears. These actually all built in, so you don't have to know any code, and as you see, it's actually a really nice interaction. Something you can do also with frames is say that it needs to link to the previous frame. So imagine I want to have, when I press the cancel button, I want the profile page to be shown. So what I can say is I want to link in the property panel and say I want to link it to the previous frame. So now if I preview that, basically I go edit profile, my model shows up, and I press cancel, and the previous page comes in. So there are a lot of things you can do. For example, if you're designing for mobile, let me just create a quick Apple iPhone XS, for example, and a quick menu. Let me just say I want it to be this color, more or less. Yeah, this color, perfect. So now I want to have kind of a menu popping up. I press L, I select this one, I press L, I link it to the menu, and you can say overlay because this is a menu. You can choose the direction, and you can also see the backdrop. Let's actually preview it. So I'll preview it, and then you have the nice little interaction. When I actually click outside, it goes away. This, as I mentioned, all built in, no need to know any code for that. And as you see, you can build high fidelity interactions in seconds.